Hello, welcome to my video. Uh, Before that, I'm sorry for my English. In this video, I will explain how to configuration Cisco IRONPORT S series, meaning WSA, Web Security Appliance. We will configure the WSA, the Web Security Appliance, for authenticate every user that use the WSA. Okay, uh, let me continue this. I'm already configured the proxy for HTTP. As you can see, the proxy is enabled. The HTTP port is 80 and 3128. We can test this by use Mozilla Firefox. We check the option setting. We use the proxy for our protocol. This is the proxy and this is the port. Okay, as you can see, we can browse to the we can browse to the outside, to the internet, google.com, or even yahoo.com. Okay, for now on, the proxy still didn't ask for the authentication. We will configure the proxy so the proxy will join domain with the Active Directory. So proxy will authenticate every user that use this proxy. Okay, we going to the network and then authentication will make the proxy join the Active Directory. Atrium. For this lab, I use Adrealm 1. And then for the authentication, Active Directory. For the Active Directory server is vdc.wsa.train. For the domain is wsa.train, and we will make a computer account for this IRONPORT. We will join the domain using administrator. Just wait. Create account, and as you can see, success, computer account for this hostname successfully created. We can check on Active Directory server and folder for computer. Okay, the hostname, the name for the IRONPORT S is already created. Next we can go, next we can test, we can start the test to see if there is something wrong or some warning from this configuration. And don't forget, when you configure the hostname for this IRONPORT, you must remember that your hostname must be input on the DNS also. So the hostname must be resolved using DNS. If not, you will have problem to join to join the domain. Okay, submit, and then commit change. You can put any comment in here, optional, as for you remember for something, maybe if you want to roll back or something. Okay, commit change. As you can see, Active Directory already joined, and we will identities. We will force the user to authenticate. You can make your own identity for your, maybe you wanna put some group to gold group and super group, and with some policy for them, you can put in here. Maybe you wanna make your gold group for your boss, maybe, or for managerial, maybe boss group. Okay, the defined member by subnet, you can put this by subnet, but maybe you already know your boss IP address. Maybe like this, I will use this IP address, put separate with comma. Okay, let me see that my notepad. Okay, it's right, it's correct. And authenticate using authenticate user, and the realm or ad realm 1 for the sim is use NTLMSP or basic. Make the order is default, then submit. Okay, commit change. You can make comment if you want, or just make it blank. Okay, for the global identification, but for the global identity, we must force the user to authenticate. If you not config this, the other user will not be authenticate, and they are will be past the authentication and just passing through to the internet. Sequence just makes all realms. If you have another active directory will be joined. Use until MSP or basic, and then just that, submit. And then commit change again, commit again. Okay, the configuration is done. For now on, we can check the for the proxy. We test yahoo.com. We input the user. For now it's Nina. You can see we are able to browse to the internet. Okay, maybe we can close again, then we clear the cache just for testing. Clear everything, close, and then testing again using Mozilla. As you can see, Nina. This is the outside actually already. That page used for testing purpose from Cisco. See, the authenticate is work. You can see that using putty. You can check that using putty. How many user already authenticate. I'm sorry, it's very lagging. What the command I forgot. I forgot the command. Let me see. Proxy status support. some out cache, if I'm not wrong. Out cache, this is one. Out cache, then this. You can see in here one entry is authenticate cache, and that is Nina. Okay, I think this is it for this video. I will make another video for IRONPORT series. Thank you for watching my video. Have a great day.